Morning students. In my previous class I was explained till 2.1 and also I was explained about the polynomials and type of polynomials, degree of polynomials, I have explained. In 2.2 the first question is given, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. That given polynomial is this. At the value of x we have to find, x is 0 given. In the value of 0 we have to put the value of 0 in the given polynomial. 5 into 0 is 0 and 4 minus of 4x square. Again we have to put the 0 in x square and plus 3. We are getting finally the value is 3. In the same way, whatever the value of x is given, simply you have to put the value of x in the given polynomial. Final answer you will get. First, second, all these two also you can solve. And in question number 2 also given the same. Here three values are different values are given for the same polynomial. P of that polynomial is in the variable y. It is given p of y is given y square minus y plus 1. And first we are calculating the value p of 0. Simply you have to put the 0 in the given polynomial. And for the second one you have to put the value of 1, p of 1 you have to calculate, and third one also p of 2. And in the same way, with the different variables, different polynomials are given. For the same values you have to find the value, you have to calculate by putting the given value of the variable. And third one also. Now see the question number 3. Here verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial, indicate against them. We have to find whether the given value of that variable is the 0 of the polynomial of the given polynomial or not. 0 of the polynomial means finally we will get that answer 0 whether we are putting the value of x in that given polynomial or not. See here x is given minus 1 by 3 and p of x is given 3x plus 1. We are going to put the value of x in the given polynomial. 3 and 3 will cancel, minus 1 plus 1 we are getting finally 0, means that minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the given polynomial. And in second one again p of x equal to given 5x minus pi. This is the value of, this is the sign of pi, and value of that value of the variable is given 4 by 5. Again we are going to put the value of x in that given polynomial. Again 5 and 5 will cancel, 4 minus pi we are getting finally, we are not getting the 0. That's why that given value of that x is not the 0 of the polynomial. In the same way you can continue. Simply you have to put the values of the variables whatever given in the polynomial. And in question number 4, find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. मीन्स व्हाट, 0 ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल फाइंड करना है, मीन्स कौन सी वैल्यू को इसमें पुट करेंगे तो हमको 0 आएगा उसको फाइंड करना होगा. अब फर्स्ट वन तो बहुत सिंपल पोलिनोमियल दिए हैं x प्लस 5. x की प्लेस में हमको माइनस 5 होगा तो प्लस 5 एंड माइनस 5 कैंसिल होकर 0 आएगा. दैट्स वाई दैट माइनस 5 इज़ द 0 ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल. बट p ऑफ x इक्वल टू 0, p ऑफ x इक्वल टू x प्लस 5. यदि p ऑफ x इक्वल टू 0 है तो हम इसको 0 को इक्वल करना है. x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0, देन वी कैन गेट द वैल्यू x इक्वल टू माइनस 5. यदि हमको गिवन पॉलिनोमियल्स थोड़ा सा बड़े होंगे तो x की वैल्यू फाइंड करने की मेथड ये है, आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं. सी द सेकेंड वन. एंड इन सेकेंड वन p ऑफ x इक्वल टू x प्लस माइनस 5 इज गिवन. माइनस 5 को प्लस 5 ऐड करेंगे तो वी विल गेट द 0. देन वी कैन सिंपली से दैट प्लस 5 इज द 0 of the polynomial of the p of x. And here you can calculate if you are having any doubts. And here this is little bit new, cx plus d. p of x is given cx plus d. If p of x equal to 0, we have to equal to 0 to the given polynomial. cx plus d equal to 0, cx equal to minus d, then x equal to minus d by c. यदि माइनस डी बाई सी को x की प्लेस में हम पुट करेंगे we will get 0, therefore minus d by c is the 0 of the polynomial. And 2.2 is completed. After that I will continue that 2.3 also.